Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect to every single one of you. Now you know today we're not going to be cooking. And it's just going to be another little one of our kitchen talks that I always find very interesting, and I think you too find it very interesting. Now today I want to talk about bun. Easter is in the air. I want to talk about buns, different types of bun, and I want to talk specifically on homemade bun, just a little bit, not too long. Homemade buns. Did you know that, family, they are always the best eating bun? Homemade buns, they are always the best eating buns. When I was a small child and I was growing with my mom, I don't quite remember, but they had some buns, they call them, I think they call them and bun. Anybody know about it? Could you please comment, elaborate a little on it in the comment section? You're always so good on that. Please and thank you. Hand bun. Those buns were made like by hand, and they were firm. They had a lot of spice in them and all of that. They were small, some reasonably big, but they had a lot of, you know, kneading. I think they were East buns too. I'm not sure. Hand bun, different from the other type of buns that we buy from all the different bakeries. So let's come back now to homemade buns. Homemade buns. I was looking at some of the comments on the beetroot bun. People were saying they didn't know, it's interesting. Somebody said they are not sure they're gonna make it, as if they're not sure of themselves. You can. That is why I did it and I shared it with you. You can if you want to. Okay? Lots and lots of people are saying they have never heard. No, you have never heard of it probably before, but it's the first, and there's always a first in everything. And earlier, when I was doing my videos, like earlier on YouTube, I just started, I always say to you, family, recipe books, people saying, Miss Debbie, cook. Yes, it is people like you and I, are me and you, that comes together. They take things, they do little baking, little cooking in their kitchen. They mix and match, they try, they prove. Sometimes to get a recipe, they have got to do it a lot of times before they get it. But when I think of something new, I don't really do it lots and lots of time before I get it, because I try to get it in my head before I get it in the oven. That's how I do it. So I try to work on it, think about it. That is how I get my ideas on new dishes. I think about it in my head. I think about how I'm gonna pair the ingredients, what I'm gonna be substituting, what I'm gonna be removing, filling, you know what I'm saying, all the little bits and pieces and stuff. You think about it in your head. Now that beetroot bun, you can take it, you all family, you can substitute something different for the beetroot juice that we used. And you can give it a different name. You can put different type of fruits. Mind you, there is another one coming. And if you thought that beetroot was a bun, make sure your notifications are turned on and make sure you're subscribed. As I'm speaking to you, I have been just visualizing all those recipes coming over and over in my head. Okay? I'm going to look for some of the stuff. I know they will be pricey, but anything for you, I'll try. I want to try to drop that one by the end of this week. I want to give you enough that you can pick from for your household, or if you want to do one of each. And try to remember that you are to make your buns at least 48 hours ahead of time before you're ready for you. You're not going to get the taste of the bun, family. Those spices that we put in there, they are to cure the bun. Okay? So the longer, the better. It's like you're corning a piece of meat or curing it. The longer it stays in that pickle, the nicer it becomes, the more mellow, the more all of that. Now I am going to leave for you the link to my, this the original stout bun recipe. I did it on a journey. I carried you on that bun recipe on a journey. I'm going to leave the link to all of those videos for you in the description of this video. I know you're busy, but I want you to go right back. Please and thank you. Check out that journey that I took you on until the morning of the revealing of the bun. I showed you how to plastic wrap your bun, that you can make one and plastic wrap it and give to a friend, family, and them can't believe it's homemade. I showed you all in that video. I'm gonna leave the link to all of those videos for you to go check them out. Okay, so you'll be having that one. You have the beetroot one. I'll be giving you another one, and I'll be giving you another one. I have 2 more. I'll be dropping another one by the end of this week, getting the ingredients a little by little, putting things together, and we're going to be doing it right here on the Jamaican cooking journey. I have it all tried in my head already, so we're going to mix it and we're going to be baking it. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to say to you that this is 2019, family. There are so many things that we can use to move away from some things when it comes to food. We are moving away in every aspect of life, in technology, this, that, whatever. What says our food? We are going to be moving along with our food, and we are going to be moving along, as you have seen that I've been doing a few times on the Jamaican cooking journey. I know you all appreciate it, okay? And I want to say thank you so much. So just to say, we have something else a few things more to discuss, but I think I'll be going live in a few days. So we'll discuss it on the live because I want to hear your feedback. So I'm just checking in with you to let you know that the season is here upon us. We are working also on a 50,000 little giveaway. We are working. So you will hear that on our next live, or we plan to do it and all of that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just checking in to let you know that bun, we on the Jamaican cooking journey, we are going to be taking homemade bun to a different level. If you have any that you have tried, if you have any that you are thinking of and you want to share it, you can hook me up on Instagram, send me the recipe, and we can try it right here on the Jamaican cooking journey. Okay? You know, every you just get up the whole heap of stout bun. We're tired of them type of bun there. We just wanna change it. We just wanna eat something different. Every year you eat stout bun. Every year you eat the same type of bun. You know, we want to change. Change is always good. We want to mix and match. You can have a stout bun, you can have a beetroot bun, you can have another bun. You know, some people might prefer that, some people might prefer another. Okay, so I'm giving you variety of bun. Variety of buns. Now you can use less fruits. I like my bun with a lot of fruits, but you can go less on your fruits, way less. Now the jam that I use as sugar, you know, the jam as sugar. So there are other things that you can use. If you're a diabetic, you're not supposed to have any problem. You can just use more like, you know, fruits, different type of fruits, dried pineapple, dried dates and stuff, and all of that. You can use your different things, mix and match. You can use something like that is mellow, like probably apple sauce. I'm not sure how sweet applesauce is. You have lots and lots of things that you could use to substitute that guava jelly. You don't have to use sugar. Once you're a diabetic, you can substitute something that is sugar-free, that has some mellowness, because you need to have something. Because remember, you know, we don't use sugar. Sugar gives the bun the moisture. So you have got to replace the sugar with something that has that moisture. You know what, when the bun come out dry and trashy and barky like Brillo Pad. Somebody asked me to talk about Brillo Pad one time. Is there ever eat Brillo Pad? No, I'm not name Brillo Pad, but the course is a Brillo Pad, because the bun needs moisture. It needs a lot of moisture. So when you're not, the sugar gives the moisture. You can use honey. You hear a lot of people talk about the raw honey, not the one them must sell some all about where when you go down at the bottom, the sugar rests on the bottom. The raw honey, the one that you just real honey, you can use it. In fact, if you're a diabetic, and it will not affect your diabetes. So mixing and matching, all of that. We're on the journey. We are embarking on different types of Easter bun, and I'm just checking in to tell you, to let you know that I appreciate your love. Thank you so much. I welcome your comments also on it, and I'm still going through your comments. I've still not have replied to a lot of them, but I'm in them. I'm gonna reply to them, you know. And just to keep your notifications on, make sure, remember, if you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll be dropping that other one at the end of this week, okay? Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. And I'm looking for somebody that has a recipe for a different type of Easter bun outside of stout bun that you want to share with us on the Jamaican cooking journey. Hook me up on Instagram, send that recipe to me, and make we see if we can work on it right here on the Jamaican cooking journey. Would be grateful. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. And all of that, our post notification shout out today, you look right up top here. Even though it's kitchen talk, it's another video. Post notification shout out, look right up top there. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you. Debbie from Dongayard. Bless. No stress.